So we're kind of cleaning out our refrigerator this morning. We got some tuna, some heirloom tomatoes, and the last of our Dave's Killer Bread. I love Dave's bread. Doesn't show his face. It's Dave's bread. So real fast. I have melons. This is an heirloom variety. They're pretty good. I'm trying to do this before it runs out. I have corn. Strawberry popcorn. It's actually red. Cucumbers. Again, I think a heirloom variety. Let's see, what's this? Pepper. I'm not sure what kind of pepper that is. I don't remember exactly. And a gourd. This one is actually a loofah. So I expect to have loofah sponges by the end of the year. Or by the end of the season. Anyway, I'm going to get back to feeding the monster who's still undressed and who's getting the tuna all over the place. That's it. God bless. Have a good day. Thank you guys for everything. I'm going to put some links at the bottom, stuff we need help with. For people who might want the side work, I'm going to include our link for, the Instacart program, which if you do $40 worth of work, we get $25 for everybody we refer. Appreciate that. And just all the other stuff that's there. Y'all have a good day. Thanks for helping with the diaper milk fund. All right, bye-bye.